Hello there, 'tis I, earthmanbrick, back again for yet another scratch build. This is a bit of a different one though, because this is actually a challenge build that I'm doing with Terrain Stock. Great channel, highly recommend, see the links below. Now, the challenge was to make a cannon, so I use materials such as from a hand soap pump, cable ties and card to work and make up the basic, and then I used a combination of oyamaru and das clay to make up a mold using Lego bricks as well, with a bunch of washers, card, hole punched holes to make up wheels. Now these wheels are not the ones I actually used in the build, but this will be part of the video for the treads. Now here is fully assembled and we've got a whole bunch of glyphs that we've added to it. Now there's separate videos on those already. All the links to all the videos will be down there below, as well as the tools, which was part of the Ork Gubbins video. For the front of the cannon, we've got lots of plastic sprue frames all dotted about here and there. We've also used quite a variety of materials, including molded parts from the control panels, which we also made in a separate video. So they're kind of back just to add a little bit of extra greeble. Speaking of which, we've also added parts from the shooters, which was also a separate video. Again, all these links will be down in the description below, so you'll be able to click on them all to discover how we make all these individual components. And here it is painted. There's a whole bunch of wires that have been added, but I like to add those after it's been painted because it's usually really difficult to paint in and around the wires, and all these wires are actual wires from old appliances and the such like. Usually you can find old thrown out VCRs and the such like and left them on the street. I always go up to them and I take wire cutters and I cut off the cable and use it for future scratch builds, because if you strip the cable and the wires, it's just golden for adding to your scratch builds. Now for the wheels, added extra layers of card just to bulk them out a bit, PPE catalogue, and added the checkers as well, just to give it a little bit of extra detail. But hopefully you like this build. I'm actually, at the time of filming this, no idea what Quentin's built, so I'm looking forward to that. Definitely check out Terrain Stock's video. He does amazing work. I'm hyped to see what he's built. So yeah, thanks again for watching and catch you next time. Cheerio!